Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Reno7 and let me share with you how to set camera timer on this device. So first of all we have to open the camera app, and since we are in the standard photo mode we can enter the settings which are in the right upper corner. As you can see, the top option, let's say, is connected with the timer. Right now the timer is off. As you can see, this clock icon is crossed out and it is highlighted in this yellowish orangish color, which means that your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button, and we can set 3 or 10 seconds delay. So let me pick, for example, 10 seconds delay. As you can see, all you have to do is to simply tap on the option you'd like to use. It is immediately highlighted. What's more, you can see which countdown you've set on the shutter button. So let's tap on it, and as you can see, from now on your device will count down from 10, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Okay, so let me pick 3 seconds delay also, and as you can see, basically the same situation, but right now it is counting down from 3. So actually this is it. This is how to set camera timer in your OPPO Reno7. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.